Here is a quick tip if you're new to 3D modeling, especially if you're modeling off photos or blueprints. Say, for example, I'm modeling this wheel. You know it's an 18-inch wheel with a 5 by 114 bolt pattern. Here I already matched up the blueprint scale to the bolt pattern. I'll take a closer look when I unhide my 18-inch barrel reference. Yeah, wow, you can see the photo is not to scale at the 18-inch diameter. That's because when you take photos, they have depth. And with depth, things closer to the camera will be larger. The easy way around this is after you've scaled your blueprint or photo to a known measurement, we're going to select our reference image. We're going to select the values we want to keep constant, key them, go to your timeline, scroll a few frames forward, scale our image down to the correct size, then key those frames. Now on your timeline, you can scrub back and forth with the correct scale at the depth of the bolt pattern and at the depth at the wheel rim. I hope this tip has been helpful. See you in the next video.